Hello from the UK. I'm Jane Smith, Deputy Leader of Animal Welfare Party. I'm here to wish Djurens Party all the very best in the upcoming elections in Sweden. The 5 core values of Djurens Party, animal rights, empathy, innovation, sustainability and courage, are so badly needed in governments everywhere. With proper representation from Djurens Party in government, real action can be taken that dramatically improves the lives of people and animals across Sweden. So I say to Swedish voters, tänk om. Real change is possible. Rightful, empathic, innovative, sustainable and courageous change. So tänk om and vote Djurens Party on the 9th of September.